Hey guys, before you reset your iPhone or sell it, you need to back it up first. Otherwise, you can permanently lose your photos, contacts, and everything on your phone. Here's the fastest way to back up your iPhone properly in under 1 minute. All right, welcome back to Quick Assist. If this video helps, please consider liking, subscribing. All right, there's gonna be a couple ways. First way, we're gonna go ahead and go to iCloud. So if you don't have iCloud, you could fast forward and skip to the second way, but then that requires also backing it up on your computer. Next, we're gonna go hit iCloud right here, go down, and then you'll see iCloud backup. Once we get here, make sure backup this phone is on. So this toggle has to be on. And then we're gonna go ahead and hit backup now. And make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected. You don't want to do this with cellular, okay? So this is gonna take some time, we're gonna next go ahead and get your laptop, MacBook. If it's a PC, then you're gonna have to use iTunes. This is a MacBook. So we're gonna find the right cord. This is the iPhone 14 Pro, so then it's still using the old Lightning port. And otherwise, you're gonna be using a USB-C. So go ahead, connect it. It's connected to the MacBook here. Then it'll say allow accessory to connect. And we're gonna go ahead and allow. The phone then says, do I trust this computer? And then go ahead, put trust. Go ahead and put in your password again. All right, so then you can actually just go to any folder on your desk. So then I'm gonna open any folder. And what's important is on the sidebar, we're gonna scroll down and you'll see iPhone right here, right there. Go ahead, hit that. And then it's gonna start to load. Wait for it to load. Then this will pop up. It says, do you wanna back up the iPhone encrypted or non-encrypted? If you proceed without encryption, the backups will not include sensitive data. Restarting your device from a backup will result in loss of your saved passwords, health, and HomeKit data. So a lot of your personal information. So yeah, you're gonna want to go ahead and hit encrypted. And then let me put in password. I'm creating a password right now. We're gonna set the password. All right, so then we're gonna see backups and we're gonna go ahead and hit backup now. All right, so from the top right here, go ahead, click that, backup now. And then it will start backing up. You might wanna have to put in the password again on your phone. And the two should be syncing and it will keep backing up. It's gonna take a little bit of time. And then once it backs up, then you can actually then reset and erase everything on your phone. Once this finishes, your iPhone is fully backed up and it's safe to reset or transfer to a new device without losing any data. I just wanted to add this last point is, like I said, you can create a new folder, and then once you do, all you have to do is open that folder, and then you will find it on the left tab, your phone. So once you hit here, now it will connect to the phone, and once again, go up to backup now. Once you back up now, then you're free. It's gonna take some time. Once it's done, then you're free to go ahead and do the hard reset or factory reset on your iPhone. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. If it does, please like, subscribe, and comment. See you next time. Bye-bye.